வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 3 ஹைட்ராலஜிக் சைக்கிள் லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the process in which the water moves between the ocean's atmosphere and land is called dash. Option A, river cycle. Option B, hydrologic cycle. Option C, rock cycle. Option D, life cycle. So here the correct answer is option B, hydrologic cycle. Second one, the percentage of fresh water on the earth is option A 71, option B 97, option C 2.8, option D 0.6. Here the correct answer is option C 2.8%. Third one, the process of changing of water from gaseous to liquid form is known as option A condensation, option B evaporation, option C sublimation, option D rainfall. Here the correct answer is option A condensation. Fourth one, water that flows in the subsoil or through the ground into the streams, rivers, lakes and oceans is termed as option A condensation, option B evaporation, option C transpiration, option D runoff. Here the correct answer is option D runoff. Fifth one, the evaporation of water from the leaves of plants is called dash. Option A transpiration, option B condensation, option C water vapor, option D precipitation. Here the correct answer is option A transpiration. Sixth one, water that is good enough to drink is called dash. Option A groundwater, option B surface water, option C potable water, option D artesian water. Here the correct answer is option C potable water. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the degree of water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as dash. The answer is humidity. Second one, there are dash phases in the water cycle. The answer is 3. Third one, the falling of water towards the earth's surface from atmosphere in any form is known as dash. The answer is precipitation. Fourth one, the precipitation with the raindrop size of less than 0.5 mm in diameter is known as dash. The answer is drizzle. Fifth one, mist is denser than dash. The answer is fog. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, vegetation, transpiration. Second one, condensation, clouds. Third one, snow and raindrops, sleet. Fourth one, infiltration, at the surface. Fifth Roman letter, choose the correct statement. First one, evaporation refers to statement 1, the process in which the gaseous form of water changes into liquid form. Statement 2, it refers to the process in which the liquid form of water changes into gaseous form. Statement 3, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius temperature but it actually begins to evaporate at 0 degrees Celsius. Statement 4, it is responsible for the formation of clouds. Option A 1 and 4 are correct. Option B 2 only correct. Option C 2 and 3 are correct. Option D all are correct. So here the correct answer is option C 2 and 3 are correct. That is statement 2 and 3 are correct with reference to evaporation. Fifth Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Water boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit temperature, but it begins to evaporate at 32 degree Fahrenheit. The answer is true. Second one, mist is not the tiny droplets of water hanging in the air. The answer is false, because mist is the tiny droplets of water hanging in the air. Third one, the subsurface runoff is usually referred as interflow. The answer is true. Sixth Roman letter, answer in brief. Question number 1. Write a short note on the aquifer. Question number 2. Define hydrological cycle. Question number 3. How is the dew formation takes place? Question number 4. Write a short note on surface runoff. Seventh Roman letter, give reasons. Question number 1. Infiltration of water is low in the region of non-porous soil. Second one, fresh water is less on the earth. Third one, snowfall is common in the polar region and mountainous regions. Eighth Roman letter, answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Explain the different stages involved in the hydrological cycle. So we should explain about evapotranspiration, precipitation and runoff. Second one, distinguish between evaporation and transpiration. Third one, give a detailed explanation on different forms of precipitation. So we should explain about the types of precipitation: rain, sleet, freezing rain, hail, snow. Fourth one, explain the runoff and its types. So we should explain about runoff and its types: surface runoff, subsurface runoff and base flow. Let us see the activity. Find out the missing components of hydrologic cycle in the given diagram and fill it with appropriately. First one, evaporation. Second one, condensation. Third one, precipitation. Fourth one, transpiration. Fifth one, runoff. Sixth one, infiltration. Seventh one, groundwater recharge. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, about dash of the earth's surface is covered by water. The answer is 71%. Second one, dash takes place from the surface water. The answer is evaporation. Third one, the clouds melt and sometimes burst resulting in dash. Answer is precipitation. Fourth one, oceans, seas, lakes and rivers provide nearly dash of the moisture in the atmosphere. The answer is 90%. Fifth one, over the oceans, dash is more prevalent than precipitation. The answer is evaporation. Sixth one, the rate of evaporation is dash during the periods of calm winds. The answer is low. Seventh one, for aviation purpose, the criterion for fog is dash or less. The answer is 10 km. Eighth one, dash is formed by microscopic drops of water or by small ice crystals. The answer is cloud. Ninth one, generally drizzle takes place from dash clouds. The answer is stratus. Tenth one, dash is the downward movement of infiltrated water through soil and rock layers. The answer is percolation. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, only 0.25% of the available groundwater can be economically extracted with dash technology. The answer is drilling. Second one, transpiration takes place from dash, plants. Third one, when the air is dash, evaporated water tends to stay close to the water body. The answer is calm. Fourth one, dash is the tiny droplets of water hanging in the air. The answer is mist. Fifth one, in freezing rain, the drops of water are usually greater than dash in diameter. The answer is 0.5 mm. Sixth one, hail forms only in dash clouds during thunderstorms. The answer is cumulonimbus. Seventh one, dash appears like a powdery mass of ice. The answer is snow. Eighth one, the percolation process represents the flow of water from dash zone to dash zone. The answer is unsaturated zone to saturated zone. Ninth one, the subsurface runoff is usually referred as dash. The answer is interflow. 10th one, unit for measuring runoff rate is dash. The answer is cubic feet per second.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.